Neatsvor T30 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. 1000 milliliter water tank. Real-time cleaning roller brush. Fresh water mopping, cleaning and mopping at the same time. With a high-speed compound rotating roller brush. Super suction power, easy to solve common waste, powerful dirt removal, automatic section, easy to clean. 800 milliliter sewage tank, clear water and sewage separation, more clean, handle all wet and dry waste. LED screen, intelligent stand detection, powerful mode of adjustment, up to 13,000 part suction power. One button self-cleaning. Neatsvor T30 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner.